Welcome to my channel. The mission of my channel is to show you the real life and way of thinking of ordinary Chinese people in my own unique way. I hope to connect and exchange ideas with friends from all over the world. Today, let's talk about a universal question: what to eat. In Chinese culture, food is a huge deal. We firmly believe that only when you have enough to eat can you work and live better. Only when you eat well can you stay healthy. This is a deeply ingrained belief in every Chinese person's mind. That's why you often see many overseas Chinese elders love growing vegetables in any spare plot of land. This is the heritage of hard work feeds you flowing in our blood, a habit passed down from thousands of years of agrarian society. In the old days, when life was tough, people's top priority was simply not going hungry. Now that we have abundant supplies, we pay more attention to healthy eating instead. But with so many delicious options to choose from these days, we often find ourselves stuck in a dilemma. Every mealtime, what should I cook today? I didn't have to overthink it today, though. I haven't done grocery shopping for a couple of days, and all I have left at home are a few chili peppers, potatoes, and spinach, so I just cooked with whatever was available. For breakfast, I planned to make a home-cooked dish that's popular in almost every Chinese household: stir-fried shredded potatoes. Then I heated up a 手抓饼 and whipped up an egg drop soup. In Chinese dietary culture, breakfast and dinner typically consist of three parts: a staple food, a main dish, and soup. Staple foods like steamed buns, pan-fried pancakes, or rolled wraps provide us with carbohydrates. Main dishes, whether stir-fried, cold mixed veggies, or meat dishes, supply vitamins, dietary fiber, and protein. Soups, on the other hand, are meant to replenish fluids and additional nutrients. They can be meat stews, vegetable broths, or porridges made from mixed grains and cereals. This is basically how a standard Chinese breakfast or dinner is structured. Why didn't I mention lunch? Because I skipped it. I wasn't really hungry at noon, so I just grabbed some snacks instead. But in Chinese dietary culture, lunch habits vary a lot between northern and southern China. As I mentioned in my previous videos, people in the south mainly have rice with dishes, while those in the north prefer wheat-based foods paired with vegetables, which are usually mixed in with the noodles or flatbread. Both styles are designed to provide dietary fiber and carbohydrates. From this, you can see that Chinese eating habits attach great importance to balanced nutrition. Breakfast was ready, so I went to wake up my wife and kids. Here, a standard breakfast spread: egg drop soup, stir-fried shredded potatoes, and 手抓饼, a perfect combination of staple food, main dish, and soup. After breakfast, I took my kid out for a walk, letting him soak up some sunshine and get some exposure to the outside world. At this time of day, the residential compound was full of parents taking their little ones out to play, and the public activity area was swarming with kids.
小朋友，你下来玩呀，对不对？
Over there, some elderly folks were playing Chinese chess. My son was quite curious about the two kids playing on the exercise equipment. When it was about time, I took him back home. On the way, I saw two elderly people heading out for a walk with folding stools in hand. In China, many seniors like to carry folding stools when they go out. Whenever they feel tired, they can just plop down and take a rest wherever they are. For dinner, I plan to use up the remaining spinach by making cold spinach with vermicelli. I also intended to cook what I can only describe as finely crushed dried corn kernels. We call this 玉米针 in Chinese. Plus, I'd heat up the sausages and steamed buns I made last time. And just like that, a standard dinner of staple food, main dish, and soup was good to go. Of course, I can't speak for all Chinese families. China is a vast country with a huge population, and dietary habits vary greatly across different regions. I'm just sharing a general picture from my own perspective, showing you the simplest home-style meals and combinations, especially since I didn't have much food at home today, so I just cooked with whatever ingredients I had on hand. These are the most basic Chinese dietary concepts, which are rooted in a core Chinese way of thinking: balance. It's about balancing nutrition with taste and balancing the combination of different dishes. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I'll bring you more videos recording real life from a genuine perspective and showing you the China I live in my own way. Wishing you a happy day every day.
瓜不能吃。